Joining a WebEx meeting requires a meeting link, which should be sent to you prior to your event. Click on the link to open the meeting page. Enter your first name, last name, and email address, then click the Join button. When the WebEx meeting is loaded, you will see a notice if you have joined before the host. Once the host joins the meeting, you will be prompted to connect your audio and video. For audio, select Call Using Computer, then use the drop-down menus to confirm you are using the correct speakers and microphone. You can click the More Options button to open a pop-up window where you can do an audio test. Testing 1, 2. Confirm you see your video in the preview window, then click the Connect Audio and Video button. You should now be able to see and hear everyone else in the meeting. If you need to change your audio settings during the meeting, click the Audio tab at the top of the screen or the top of the window if using Windows, then select Computer Audio Settings. This will open a pop-up menu that will allow you to change your selected devices.